Hello, my dear ones. How are you? Good morning to one and all. My name is P. Arunakumari, your Hindi third language teacher. So, myself and Chandurani Miss will come to your classes. Okay, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Okay, children. Before going to the lesson, so I will say you something. Whatever we are teaching, no lessons and all, we are giving question and answers, notes, and we are keeping STs. Each and everything, please to properly follow that. And don't irritate your parents' children. Why? Because they are also taking much care of you. Am I right, children? Good children you all are. Next. You have to keep for third language notes 200 pages long, either short book. Whatever I am giving notes, write neatly. Okay, Nana? Now, before going to the lesson, I will ask you some questions. Few questions I am asking you. Okay? So, whenever newly we are starting anything, what we are doing? What we are doing? Exactly. We are doing prayer. To whom we are doing prayer? To God. Exactly, my dear children. So, today's topic is Prarthana. That is one of the poem. Okay, Kavita. What we are calling in Hindi? Kavita. Okay. So, why we should ask the God only? You know very well. Suppose very hardly if you want to do anything, suppose that is not happen for yourself. So what you will do? Directly you are asking to God. You couldn't ask your mother and father. Am I right, children? So that is very impossible, no? So those kind of things will possible in God's plan only. Am I right? Yes. Okay, my dear children. This is the first lesson in your Hindi textbook. Okay. So page number 5. Take out that page and see the heading Prarthana. Tum hi ho Mata, Pita, tum hi ho. Okay. I will read out that poem. Please to concentrate about the pronunciation. Okay, children? Now listen carefully. Okay. So in this poem means Kavita. So how many stanzas are there? 5 stanzas are there. So each and every stanza I will give you meanings. Okay, done? Now listen. तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो साथी, तुम ही सहारे, कोई ना अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, तुम ही हो नैया, तुम ही खेवैया, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो जो खिल सके ना वो फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हमें, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो. Did you understand, children? Let us come to the point. I will explain you one stanza. So what is the meaning of first stanza? So through this prayer, through this Kavita, so children want to say something to God. They want to convey the message to God. What they want to convey? The message. What they are saying to God? Tum hi ho Mata. Tum hi ho Pita. And you are only my mother. You are only my father. What is the meaning of Mata? Mata means mother. Pita means father. And tum hi ho Bandhu. Bandhu means well-wisher, relative, whatever it not. So you are only my well-wisher. And Sakha means friend. You are only my friend. Okay, children, what they are saying? Oh God, you are only my mother and you are only my father. You are only my well-wisher and you are only my best friend. Okay, now second stanza. तुम ही हो साथी, तुम ही सहारे. तुम ही हो साथी. You are only my साथी. साथी, one more meaning is there, friend. Sakha also friend, साथी also friend. You are only my friend. तुम ही सहारे. You are only my support. Why? Because we are getting any troubles, we are facing any trouble, we are in very sad mood. What we are doing? We are sharing our feelings to our friends only. Am I right? So that kind of friend who are for us, you are only my God. And na koi siva tumhare. None other than except you God. You are only each and everything for me, for us. So who are saying these words? Children are saying to God. Clear, children? Now third stanza. तुम ही हो नैया, तुम ही खेवैया, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो. So what is the meaning of naiya? Naiya means boat. Did you see the boat, children? It is going in the water, sea, rivers. And तुम ही हो नैया, you are only my boat. And you are only my खेवैया. खेवैया means sailor. You are only my sailor. मेरे नाव को चलाने वाले खेवैया, नाविका. Who you are only. Means what is the meaning of that particular sentence? Whenever I am in the trouble, I am sailing in the boat. You are protecting my boat. You are saving my boat. And you are only my sailor. तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो. You are only my well-wisher and you are only my friend. Understood, children? Next. जो खिल सके ना वो फूल हम है. See, blooming bud. Blooming bud कैसी होती है? पहले ऐसे होती है, बाद में ऐसी होती है. So we all are very innocent, my God, because we all are buds. We are in bud stage only. We couldn't bloom properly. We couldn't mature with our mind. Okay, my dear God. So, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम है. We all are nothing but in front of you. Why? Because we all are innocent. We don't know which one is good and which one is bad. You are only show me the path, good path. Oh my God. Please to protect us. So children are asking through this poem. They are saying about us, we all are innocent. Okay, children? Now, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना. Every time, please to be kind on us. Please to shower your blessings on us. Why? Because you are only my well-wisher and you are only my friend. Okay, my dear children. So through this poem, children are asking each and everything and they are praising to God like this. So very innocently, if you are asking to God, what will happen? God will give you each and everything. Am I right, children? If you are doing good things, God will appreciate you. He was rewarded with great things. They are giving many beautiful things. You couldn't expect that. What God will give for us. Okay, my dear children, every time be faith, trust on God. Okay, my dear children. So what meanings came in this kavita? So I will ask you, be ready. Okay, let us start the game. Sati. What is the meaning of Sati? Yes, friend. One more word, what for friend? Sakha. What is that? Sakha. Now next, what is the meaning of Mata, Pita? Mata means mother, father means Pita. Good children, excellent answers. Keep it up. Now next, Sahara. Sahara means? Tell me you. Very good. Support. What is the meaning? Support. Sahara means support. So one more thing. Naya. So Naya means boat. Exactly children. What is the meaning of Kevaya? Kevaya means? Yes, brilliant answer. What is that? Kevaya means sailor. Exactly children. Okay. Kill. What is the meaning of kill? Kilna. Kilna means blooming. Kilna means blooming. Exactly. Now, Charan. What is the meaning of Charan? Feet. Charan means feet. Dhul. Dhul means what? Dhul means mitti. Dhul means mitti. Okay. Now, did you heard Sada? Sada means always. Sada means always. Fool. What is the meaning of fool? You know very well. I know that fool means flower. Fool means flower. Very good, my dear children. More thing, I will ask you questions. Clear? First one. Who is your mother and father? हमारे लिए, बच्चों के लिए, who is the mother and father? Yeah, very good. Who? God. Bhagwan. You are only my mother and you are only my father. तुम ही हो माता, पिता, तुम ही हो. And who is our friend? भगवान. भगवान हमारे लिए कितने रूपों में है? माता के रूप में, पिता के रूप में, बंधु के रूप में और सखा के रूप में, इतने सारे रूपों में हमें भगवान मिले थे. Understood children? Now, so regarding this poem, many questions, many meanings, opposites, each and everything I will give in the PDF file. Clear children? So see that and write neatly in your class note. And whatever homework daily, please to write one topic 2 times. If you are writing without saying, so you are getting very easily. Okay children? So okay. So through this poem what we learn? So ultimate powers are there in God. Please to read out this poem once again. Daily you should practice and you are getting easily this poem. Okay. So I hope you understood my lesson. So I think you enjoyed a lot. Okay children. Please be safe and stay at home only. Don't go outside. Clear children? Please to listen your parents' voice. Okay. Bye.